Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can make your Facebook private to your non-friends or to non-friends. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step. So without further ado, let's get on it. So if you want to make your Facebook private on other people that is not your friend on Facebook, what you'll need to do is to first tap into your Facebook app on your device. And then just make sure that you're currently logged in into your account. And then after that, you can go ahead and tap on to the three horizontal lines that is available on the upper left part, right part rather, of your screen. And then just scroll down until you see your settings and privacy. And then in here, in your settings and privacy, tap on to your settings. And then tap onto this privacy checkup section. So tap onto that privacy checkup, and then you'll be able to see this on your screen. So what we're going to do next is to tap on to this how people can find you on Facebook. It is the purple option right there. So tap onto that and then tap on to continue. So as you can see, here's the first one. So first one is who can send you a friend request. So as you can see, it is set as everyone. So if you want to make your Facebook more private, so you can go ahead and set it on to friends of friends. And then tap onto the next. So here's your phone number. So choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address. So you can go ahead and set it on your friends. And then as you can see right here, or you can even send or set it to only me if you want to do that. So after that, you can go ahead and tap onto the next. And as you can see, there is this option at the bottom part right here. It says that do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So if you want to turn this off, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to also do that and then tap onto the next and then review another topic. So that's it for the first part of this, and what we're going to do next is to go back from your settings and privacy, and then what we're going to do next is go to the recent at activity. So I'm so sorry, that is wrong. So again, tap onto your settings again and then tap on to this audience and visibility. So under this audience and visibility, tap onto your post and then tap on to who can see your future post. So you can go and set it to friends and even only me, whatever you want. And then just go back and go to the limit past posts. You can go ahead and limit your past posts. So if you want to do that. So that's it for this video. That's how you can make your Facebook private to non-friends on your Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.